What is up, Mr. 2 Life Hackers, and welcome back to another video. Yes, you guys seem to really like my caramel frappuccino video, so I decided what is another great way for me to get a bunch of views than to make another frappuccino video. You guys read the title right. Today I'm going to be making a peppermint mocha frappuccino at home. So let's get into it. So first thing you're going to want to do is to wash those hands. Make sure to wash for at least 20 seconds and with soap. If you have an Apple Watch running watchOS 7, it has a handy countdown that counts down 20 seconds, making it a lot easier and more fun. Alright, let's get into the ingredients. You're going to want to start off with whole bean coffee, otherwise these next few steps won't be relevant to you. A creamer or heavy cream. Can't forget our best friend, xanthan gum, a generous block of chocolate, and 2 to 3 candy canes depending on how minty you like it. Now, most of these ingredients you can find around your house. Otherwise, your local Walmart, Target, or any grocery store should have these. For these next steps, I'm going to be using a Keurig to brew the coffee, so follow along if you have a Keurig. Otherwise, in my caramel frappuccino video, I explained how to use a coffee brewer. You're going to want to use 3 to 4 scoops of whole bean coffee, and with my Keurig machine, I'm going to want to grind it to a almost powdery fine espresso grind. Now, after you've grinded that coffee, it should kind of look like a powdered sugar mix. The next thing we're going to try to do is to recreate kind of an espresso machine by tightly packing the grounds into our K-cup filter, essentially forcing very hot water under high pressure through finely ground compact coffee, basically how espresso is made. For this Keurig machine, we're going to use about 1/3 cup of filtered water. Once you've added the water and press the button, the Keurig should begin brewing almost instantaneously. While that coffee is brewing, you're going to want to chop the candy canes and the chocolate together. With the help of editing magic, I did it in 1 second. Once that makeshift espresso is done brewing, we're going to combine the candy canes and the chocolate together into the blender and add that espresso mix and, well, blend it. Once you've done blending it and it's become a homogeneous, make sure you're going to want to add the creamer or the heavy cream, and after that you're going to add about a teaspoon of xanthan gum. As stated in previous videos, xanthan gum is basically the bind that keeps your drink from being just ice and coffee separated. Speaking of ice, you're going to want to make sure to add at least 3/4 cupful of ice for the entire drink. Not going to want to do too little ice if you don't want to get a sloshy drink, or you don't want to add too much ice for it to become just chunks of ice. You should have that signature frappuccino consistency. Now is the easiest part, when you just pour it into your cup and make sure to garnish it with whipped cream, sprinkles, candy canes, whatever you want. Go crazy. And you guys can enjoy this shaky montage I made for the drink. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope that your frappuccino turned out just as good as mine. As you can see, I made sure to give it a little thumbs up at the end. Thank you for watching.